This amendment would add to the bill in chief, Assembly Bill 1833, known as Brittany's Law. This would require that certain violent felony offenders register with the Division of Criminal Justice Services upon discharge, parole, or release from any state or local correctional facility, hospital, or institution, and to allow dissemination of and access to certain information to the general public.
The chair has examined your amendment, Mr. McKevitt, and found it germane to the bill before the House. On the amendment, Mr. McKevitt?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Speaker. In 2009, in Geneva, New York, Helen Buchel and her daughter, Brittany Pasagua, were murdered by John Edward Brown, a violent felon who was on parole after serving 2.5 years of a 3-year sentence for violently assaulting his infant daughter in 2003. New York continues to lag behind other states that have already implemented some form of violent felony offender registry. Unfortunately, New York has not taken constructive steps to track the whereabouts of violent felony offenders who, as research indicates, are likely to repeat such violent crimes upon release from prison. Protecting the public from violent offenders is a primary governmental interest, and the registration of convicted felony offenders reentering the community is a control that protects individuals from victimization. As legislators, we come to Albany to consider legislation that makes New York a safe place to live and raise our families. It has become clear that we must increase our efforts to protect our citizenry. This proposal will not only provide law enforcement with a valuable investigative tool in the fight against violent crime, but also provides important information to communities, since violent felony offenders pose a high risk of reoffending once released from custody. Thank you.